Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a smooth and creamy vanilla milk pudding. It's rich, comforting and so easy to make it at home. Let's get started with this delicious dessert. In a saucepan, pour 3 cups of milk. Add 1 cinnamon stick and let it boil. Cinnamon adds a warm spice that calms the senses. Use full-fat milk for the creamiest texture. Boil for 5 minutes until you get that warm aroma. Add 1/3 cup sugar and stir well. Now cool down the milk completely. Take 2 egg yolks, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, mix until the sugar dissolves fully. Set it aside. In another small bowl, mix 1/4 cup of cornflour with 1/3 cup of water. Now pour the cool milk into a mixing bowl. Add the egg yolk mixture and mix gently. Let the milk cool before adding egg yolks to prevent curdling. This dessert is a mix of classic French technique with home-style comfort. Then add the cornflour slurry and stir until smooth. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence for that rich flavor. Vanilla is one of the most loved and expensive spices in the world. Pour the mixture into a pan. Cook on medium heat, stirring continuously. Let it boil and thicken into a smooth custard. Keep stirring while cooking to avoid lumps. Egg yolks provide vitamin D and essential fats. Cornflour makes the dessert light yet filling. Once thickened, pour into serving glasses. Cool in the fridge for 1 hour. Homemade means no artificial thickeners or preservatives. You can reduce sugar and still enjoy a great taste. Before serving, dust with cocoa powder and enjoy a chilled, creamy treat. There you have it, a creamy, rich pudding that's easy to make and a joy to eat. Do you love soft, creamy dessert like this? Tell us below. Have you ever made pudding with egg yolks before? Give this recipe a try and share your result. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more tasty creation. Thanks for joining us at Oven Cake and Cookies. Until next time, stay sweet and keep creating.